As an accounting practice grows, so does its bookkeeping operations. The time and effort required to maintain accurate financial records can quickly become overwhelming. Manual data entry and routine tasks are not only time-consuming, but they can also lead to errors and inconsistencies that can cause major headaches down the road. Take the manual reconciliation of bank accounts in Xero as an example. Up to 56% of a bookkeeper's time is wasted on transactions that already match, rather than problem entries that actually require attention. This is where bookkeeping bots come in. For example, there is no reason a bookkeeper should have to spend their time clicking OK for matching transactions in Xero that follow standard business rules. Having a reconciliation robot would entirely remove the need to have to do this, as well as other manual routine tasks. In this video, you'll see a bookkeeping robot perform bank reconciliation in Xero. The robot will open a Google Chrome browser, go to the Xero login page, and log in using its own email address and password. It will then select a client, select a business account, and start reconciling transactions following defined rules. The rules are fairly simple. First, it will check to see whether the transaction is green matched. If it is, the bot will then check that there are no alternative options and the name in the bank matches the name in Xero. Finally, it will check whether the date of the bank transaction is no greater than 90 days of the Xero bill or invoice. If all four conditions are met, the bot will click on the OK button. If not, it will check whether the transaction has an apply rule in Xero. And if it does, the bot will click on the OK button. If these two rules are not met, the bot will perform one final check to see whether the transaction is in the Create category in Xero. And if it is, the bot will use the content of the reference field in the bank to search for the transaction in Xero. If there is a matching transaction, it will select the and click on the Reconcile button. If none of these rules are met, the bot will ignore the transaction and move on to the next one. It will repeat these checks over and over until it has reviewed every single transaction in the business account. Once it has finished reviewing all the transactions, it will log out of Xero and close the browser. By now you must have noticed that the bot has ignored a number of transactions that have an OK button, but are neither green matched nor have an apply rule. It has also ignored a transaction that is green matched, but has one or more options. It can work at high speed with zero errors, giving its human colleagues one less low-level task to worry about. By automating manual repetitive tasks in Xero, bookkeeping bots can help improve the accuracy and efficiency of your bookkeeping operations. Here are some of the benefits of using bookkeeping bots in Xero. Bookkeeping robots handle all of the low-skill tasks, freeing up time for your team to focus on high-level tasks and provide more value to your clients. The bots are programmed to follow specific rules and procedures, reducing the risk of human error and increasing the accuracy of financial records. They can help to reduce the cost of manual bookkeeping, freeing up resources for other areas of the business. They can also automate the process of collecting and organizing financial data, making it easier to manage and analyze financial information. The bots can work on weekends and bank holidays, improving the overall productivity of an accounting practice. If you're looking to streamline your bookkeeping operations, consider deploying a bookkeeping bot. If you'd like to find out more, or to test a bookkeeping robot in your practice for 60 days completely free, click the link below and book a meeting with one of our practice development consultants.